Today we're going to be taking a look at another product by Harbor Freight. This is being carried under their Atlas brand, and this is their backpack blower. I did reach out to Harbor Freight and I did ask them for this particular blower so that I can share it with you guys. Inside the box you're going to find a lot of things, and that's because this kit does include the batteries and the charger, so it's a great system to start out with if you haven't invested into the Atlas brand yet. Now inside the box you're going to find, well, a lot of components, and that's because this particular kit does come with batteries and it comes with the charger. So this is a great kit to start out with if you're not invested in the Atlas battery system yet. You get two 80-volt batteries at 4 amp hours. You also get the charger, the blower, or the backpack part of the blower, the rest of the tubes of the blower nozzle, the controls, which eventually just get plugged into this part right here. You also get a manual for the blower, and laying right there is a manual to the battery charger. Everything you need to use this blower is in the box. Assembly of the tube was pretty straightforward. They just kind of plug into each other and twist. Not a big deal there. There is a ring right here. You need a screwdriver to tighten it down when you assemble this part into the flexible tube. Other than that, you're literally about 5 minutes and this thing is ready to use. Plugging the batteries in is pretty simple. They just fall straight in like that. You press them down until they click. Now, one thing I did notice is this will run on one battery, but they're giving you two, so you might as well use both of them. Now, obviously it's designed to be hung on your back, and you're supposed to have the handle facing up like this. It is trigger activated. There is a speed control. As you dial this, it pulls the trigger back for you. And then this button right here is a turbo. So if you want it to blow extremely hard, you can press this button down and it will. And trust me, I've already tested it out. This is a very impressive machine. On the top of those controls, you can see the battery level meters. It'll show you how much battery is in the left battery and the right battery. The display comes on when you're using it, and it does stay on for a little bit after you let go of the button. So my left battery is a little bit low and the right battery is full. The handle does have a rubber overmold grip to it, so if you're hot and sweaty, it's not going to slip around on you. You'll have a good grip of the controls. The back of the backpack is nice and soft. It does have shoulder straps. It also has a waist strap as well, and those chest straps also have cross-connecting straps to keep the straps together. So when it's on your back, it's going to stay there. There's no doubt about that. And you can see it exhausts out the side, so it's not going to keep you hot. It'll definitely blow behind your back and away from you. But of course, the question in everybody's mind is, how well does it work? And we're going to find out. Let's go ahead and pull the trigger and see how well it does. Now, I have to admit, I've had a lot of backpack blowers in my life, and well, this one's pretty cool because when you push that turbo button, you got to hang on to it because you can feel it kick. Now, this was kind of a worst case scenario because it rained really hard here and all those leaves were kind of stuck to the pavement, but it didn't have any problems blowing those leaves off. It did fine. So there's no reason to go into what are my final thoughts, because undoubtedly you know that I'm very impressed with this unit. I really like it. And again, this is a good one to get started with because it does come with those batteries and it also comes with the charger. The controls make it very easy to use and is very well balanced, and to my surprise, it's not that heavy of a backpack. I've had backpack blowers before and they're heavy enough that they kind of hurt my back. This one's relatively light when you're comparing it to a regular gasoline blower. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, but take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.